it is Monday evening and I just got back from an event that we did where we got to meet a lot of different corporations and businesses, and we got to talk to them about work and how it is to work in computer science and engineering, and it was a really fun night. So I am doing a week in my life, as you can see on the title of this video. But I started this morning at 8 and I went to an event that's called She's Got This, which is about gender biases in the workforce in Norway, but they do have a global initiative as well. Then I had 2 lectures today. We just worked on our upcoming assignment and doing some prep for lab. I only worked on the assignment, but it was because I don't have lab until next week, so people that have lab tomorrow did lab prep today. And then after that, I had a lecture in algorithms where we learned about sorting algorithms with like binary trees and things like that. And then I went straight to the event that I just got back from now. So we had like presentations where we got to hear about some of the businesses and corporations, and I found some of them really interesting. I don't really know because it's only my first year here, and they're usually looking for people who are in their 3rd or 4th year, and I'm like 1st/2nd year. That was pretty much my Monday, and it was a really interesting day and different. Good afternoon. It is almost 1 o'clock now, and I just got home from uni. I had 2 lectures today, and yeah, that was that. So now I'm going to eat some lunch and relax, and then after that I'm going to get some studying done. I'm trying to kind of get ahead in some of my classes because I have other things coming up. So yeah, trying to plan ahead. But now I'm going to eat this one. Hello, so here is a little update. Today it is Wednesday and I just got back from a lecture. I only had 1 lecture today in math and worked on some math problems. And now I'm going to finish up at least 1 assignment, hopefully 2, so that I can turn them in tomorrow because I have other things that I need to do. I'm just trying to get on top of things. I'm just gonna start doing some work now. Here's a little update. I just finished, I guess, my schoolwork for the day. I managed to finish doing the theory of one of my assignments, so I'm pretty happy with that because that almost took all day. And now I'm going to eat dinner and relax a bit. I think that's all for today. it is Thursday evening. I'm going to do a little bit more studying for tonight. I have a meeting tomorrow in Oslo, and yeah, this isn't really a typical Thursday, but it is what happened this week. Hello, so now I'm back in the flat apartment, and yeah, I got back. I was finished with my little meeting thing at around 11, and then I got back here at around 3, and I submitted an assignment and made dinner, and now it is around 5 o'clock. And I'm going to eat dinner and just relax for the rest of the evening. The meeting was fun and I think it went well, so hopefully something will come out of that later. I'm not really going to do much else this evening. I am not going to do any more studying for today. I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me on my week. All of my weeks are different, but this was one of them and one of the more eventful weeks, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.